In this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install VMware Workstation Player on your laptop or PC. So let's get started. So first open your browser and search for VMware, and the first link which will appear is the one we use. And straight away, you will see this option which say download. You can choose if you want to download it on Linux or Windows. And I'll choose Windows. And you will see that the download of this executable file will start, so I will wait until it's done. Here you will see many options on whatever you will like to do. But for now we will wait until the installation process is done so we can proceed to the next step. Once the executable file downloaded, I'm just going to type it here on the search bar and open it. And then the VMware installation will start. So first of all you will see this window here, so I'm going to click on the next button. And then you will see the license terms and conditions. If you agree with those license terms and condition, click on accept and next. So if you don't have the good reason to change it, just leave it as default. And you will see this option, enhanced keyboard driver. A reboot will be required to use this feature. So click on next and install. As you can see here, the installation process is going on, so I will wait for until it finish. And now I can see this window say that VMware Workstation 17 player is already set up. So just click on Finish option. And now I can go to Windows Start icon here, and then I can see this option which says VMware Workstation 17 player. I'm going to launch this app here, and I can see is create a new virtual machine. So if you want to create a new virtual machine, you can click on this button. And then when you have already files, you can click and browse it here. So this is how you can download and install an VMware player on your Windows operating system.